Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I'm just going to do a brief show of what's coming up next. I got some exciting brand new radios, plus I got another dozen radios from Jeff. Let me just show you the new radios. Here's the first one. This is from Iron Snow. They've sent me a lot of products over the years, been very supportive of my channel. And this is a brand new product they just put on Amazon. It's a 10,000 milliamp hour NOAA emergency radio with weather alert, AM, FM, shortwave, solar charging, hand crank charging, a rotatable, reading lamp, dual speakers. A lot of these little radios don't have two speakers. Headphone jack, SOS, and a USB charger. And this is the orange one, which I think that is the color they sent me. So I'll be doing a review of that. Pretty exciting. The next one is this radio here. It comes in various colors. I got this from one of my longtime supporters, Thomas. I did a review of one of these very similar to this, maybe identical. I think it was by a different seller. But anyway, Thomas bought himself one of these. He sent it to me first to do a review, so I'll do an update on this particular one. Then, and I want to thank Thomas, and then, most exciting, is the brand new Texan PL-320 from Anon-Co. Nice people at their store have been supporting me over the years and sending me fairly expensive radios. This one is not so expensive. It's $58. It's I don't know if it's not in stock yet. They sent me one in advance to show you. How's that? That is pretty nice. So I'll be checking that out. Very similar to some of the other Texan PL radios. It'll look very familiar, but it's slightly different. Thanks to them, they sent me a list of the differences of two of their radios, and I'll be showing you that list of differences when I do the review. Pretty exciting stuff coming up, and then I still got 12, maybe 13 radios from Jeff to show you. These are collector items, older items, and they're always a popular thing on my channel. And I'm running out of breath, so I think I'll wrap it up. And we'll be putting these videos out this week, hopefully, or weekend. And like this one, like this one here from Thomas, and this one here from Iron Snow's store. They're all pretty exciting. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.